Alright, this is what I've been working on. So this is my Mega X printer. I made this plate after multiple failed attempts with this shitty ass filament by that Nuvo company. This guy clicks down onto the bed. Then from my Mega S, I got this plate that goes in here nicely, right? Give me a sec, let me click that back down. Okay, so now that that's fully clicked down, we take a t-shirt and now it's got enough space for up top. And so the sides don't get caught up in the gears. We tuck the sides. One side. We'll make it better before I actually push print. But yeah, so everything's all tucked away on the sides. It hangs over so it doesn't get caught up in the gears. It goes all the way back, no problem. Nothing's touching. Perfect. Wait for the results.